At number 2, we're transported to the mesmerizing Lake Geneva. Straddling the Swiss-French border, this lake offers panoramic views of vineyards, castles, and distant snow-capped mountains. Its azure waters and surrounding beauty make it a picture-perfect destination. Finally, at number 1, we arrive at the enchanting city of Zurich. A global center for banking and finance, Zurich brilliantly juxtaposes the old and the new. Its thriving arts scene, world-class restaurants, and bustling nightlife make it an irresistible destination.